When your headlights are getting a little bit old and hazier like this, it's just they're just plastic. Sun, UV light, grit, weathering, stuff hitting the surface while you're driving around just kind of clouds up the plastic. But if you can clean and buff the top surface, it will get more clear like this. This is just one buffing. This is headlights of the same age. This is an older Yaris I've had going for many years. I've just done one buff there. You can get a set of buffer pads, often in a kit, and they often come with sort of these waxy sticks. And in this case, this emery color, there's polishing grits embedded in the wax. You can literally just draw them onto the plastic. In this case, there's a black stick here that this one has a polishers that can be used for metal surfaces. For plastics or metals, and you can start off with red. This white stick is a fine polishing compound that you would do at the end. Now they give you a mandrel, which is basically a shaft and some conical washers here to basically hold onto a drill. I'm using a power drill. You could use a cordless drill, which I have, but sometimes it's just nice to have all the power I need and to just really not worry about batteries running down. And I'm going to use this buffer pad, and what I'll do is just simply crayon this material onto the headlight. Just to cover the surface, and then you can basically buff. And then the buffing action is just simply taking your time going over the whole surface. So I'm going to do the other one, and then we should have the other one looking a lot like this. And this would be even before going to the white stick or the final polishing. But that really improves the function of the headlight. You'll get a lot more light coming out and not being scattered.